The bike is broken. Man, Yedidim. Unbelievable. I love this organization. I made a video for you, Fazai. These guys come, the high season is due, the warme wetter do, and the only kind of the kinder will go biking. But what are you going to do? The tire tires? Oh my goodness, get back kick. Look at this, the vehicles pull up over here. B101, Yedidim. Hey, Zamvi, you guys advanced. For you, I made the video for you didn't have the car yet.
Nope.
You guys, I'm going to come in. I'm going to come on hold, dus we maken een Michaelis situation. Zamvi, kol hakavod, ik wil zeggen, from last year to this year, als we stommen, you guys boomed it out, right?
Hashem, yeah.
Unbelievable. I'm going to have the numbers from Fayub's hand. How many calls do you guys have?
Few thousand
calls. Ranging from bikes to scooters.
Bikes, not electric scooters, but wheelchairs, packages and all these stuff, medical packages.
Really? Just any non-emergency?
Yeah.
With the community, then great. How many volunteers you guys have?
About 60, 65.
65 volunteers. Was jeder had equipment set. Great, fixing bikes, like you said, wheelchairs. And row self in the silver was my daf. I even used you guys once Friday, right? I'm gonna have the community. I'm gonna help my truck. Unreal. And jeder had how you communicate with each other now.
So we have a radio system. It's a radio system. Expensive radios.
Okay, but kick, you did them in, and everybody has a radio, you hit T, and they respond. So dispatcher?
Yep.
Okay, then?
Freek, I'm
going to say something over here. Chaim Perlowitz to dispatch. What did you say? I'm fixed.
Go ahead.
Just testing the system. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Two numbers. Is it 5x5? Good say, yeah. So you did the number to unbelievable. Wow. It's unbelievable. I love this. So the calls go 24 hours a day, right?
It's 24 hours from 2 p.m. to 11 p.m.
Oh, just about the Buchamlin video, whatever. It's busy. So 2 p.m. to 11.
Fridays from 12 to 2 hours before this man.
Unbelievable. Kol hakavod, you fixed the bike. Look at that. The bike arbeitet jetzt. Unreal. Akasha Chaf Zambi. How do you fund every member equipment, radio, vehicles? How do you fund this?
So that's a question that I get all the time. Wat ik fund this for montage, basically.
Je ownpakken als funding?
Grap doe dat naar bissel funding.
No, Zambi, nah. Ik heb laag $250 voor Yedidim.
Wow.
Voor mijn pakket. En wie kan me nou dan? Een paar gooi dus.
Dus doe al link. Dus ga offline später auf een screen.
Doe op een screen een link.
En we kunnen dat donaten. Al de code hotline is ook nog
no way. Geef het. Stelt ze, let's go. Geef maar aan een paar voor de mooiste te doen. Met mis open. To keep Yedidim going. They're there for our community. Serve us. Take care of us. Let's get back to them. One more question. Which communities do you serve? Borough Park?
So we have a Borough Park division. We have a Flatbush division. We have Staten Island division that just actually opened up.
Staten
we have
Island?
Rockland County division.
Really?
That's Muncie, all the areas around. Our volunteers take a few minutes of their time and they come to the calls. That's basically it.
The phone number to call the hotline bijna DAF Yedidim is
718-200-7273. Again, 718-200-7273.
I didn't know what wow. Okay, you guys are heading to the next?
Yep, we're heading to the next call. We have a call on 16:45.
This is the vehicle, 2 members. I love this. Zambi, I'm in my Michael. On to the next. The radio is clinging and you guys are out. Sluchi Ibrucha. Wow. Back up. I love this organization.